In today's digital age, understanding cryptocurrencies is so important. But have you ever thought about how we trace crypto transactions? Welcome to the world of cryptocurrencies. When you send or receive crypto, you leave behind a digital fingerprint. That's because most cryptocurrencies are built on a transparent ledger called a blockchain. Each transaction on the blockchain is publicly recorded, making it possible to track the movement of a coin. Now, what happens when cryptocurrencies get involved in illegal activities? That's where cryptoforensic investigators step in. Experts use tools and techniques to analyze blockchain data, identify suspicious activities, and trace transactions back to their source. This can help law enforcement agencies to tie digital wallets to real-world identities, catching bad actors and maintaining trust in the crypto ecosystem. So that's cryptoforensics in a nutshell, maintaining the balance between the anonymity of the digital world and the need for security and transparency. So stay tuned for more insights from us. Remember, in digital world, knowledge is power. So if you enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe to our channel.